say that the essence of politics and governance is to bring democracy dividends to the people. Government and governance will be useless and meaningless if you cannot change the narrative, if you cannot touch the lives of the ordinary citizens. And we are happy that we are part of history today, that the first asphalted road in Wabasi State was done by us and is being commissioned by you. And I say to God alone be all the glory. In all of this, I am encouraged to say that God has promised to enable us complete all the projects that we have embarked upon before we exit next year. And I hold God by his promise, because he has never failed me, that we will deliver all our projects to Abia. And we will deliver a promise of a better Abia tomorrow, even after we have left office. Therefore, let me leave you with my theme song, because you were not here when I ran election in 2015 to become governor. I saw where I was coming from, and I knew that it wouldn't have been possible at all without the grace of God. And that is why today, tomorrow, and even in future, the song on my lips will remain Obugi mu jowe mo Amara ya Obugi mu jowe mo Amara ya Obugi mu jowe mo Amara chukwu Ji'm Àkà kamarida Obugi ya jowe ya Amara ya Okezie Ikpeazu Obugi jowe kide Amara ya Iyani na kine mi chigo meki Amara ya Ji'm Àkà